This video tutorial looks at the mathematical strand of number, and more specifically we're going to focus on what a factor is and how to determine a highest common factor of two numbers. So first thing we need to know is what is a factor. Basically, a factor is a number that divides exactly into another number. Alright, so as an example, the factors of 6. Well, 1 times 6 is equal to 6. So therefore 1 is a factor. Okay. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So therefore 2 and 3 are factors. But we can also say that 6 times 1 equals 6. And we know 1's a factor, so therefore 6 must be a factor. Alright, so our factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6, because 6 can be divided by all of these numbers. But what about when we're trying to determine highest common factor? Alright, so basically remember that we just said a factor is a number that can be divided into another number that gives you a whole numbered answer, so you don't get a decimal answer when you do that. But the highest common factor between two numbers is a common factor of both, okay, but it's the highest value. As an example, let's go what is the highest common factor of 12 and 20? Well, first of all, I'm going to write my factors of 12. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. My factors of 20, I'm going to write 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now, I'm going to circle the common ones. So we've got 1, 2, and 4 are the common factors. And obviously the highest of those is 4. So my highest common factor is going to be 4. Okay, because that's the highest number of all the common factors between those two numbers. So let's do another couple of examples. The highest common factor of 24 and 28. 24 and 28. Well, I'm going to write down my factors. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. And I've got 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. I'm going to circle the common ones. So I've got 1, 2, 4, which means that my highest common factor is going to be 4. What about if I had 27 and 36? Well, I'm going to write down all the factors of 27, so all the numbers that 27 can be divided by. 1, 3, 9, and 27. And then I'm going to do the same thing for 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. And I'm going to circle the common ones. So I've got 1, 3, and 9. And therefore, my highest common factor is actually going to be 9. Okay, you're now going to have a go at some practice questions. They're going to come up on the next bit. If you can pause the video, have a go at them, and when you think you've got the right answer, continue the video, and we'll see how you went. So as stated, here are the practice questions. Please feel free to pause the video. Once you think you know the answer, we'll go through to the last slide. Alright, so let's see how you went. The factors of 24. Well, I'll write out the factors. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. They're all the factors of 24. And the highest common factor of 16 and 36. Well, let's put down all the factors of 16 and all the factors of 36. I'm going to circle the common ones. So I've got 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4 and 4. I think that's it. Therefore, my highest common factor is going to be 4, because it's the largest of the circled numbers.